XLM, we start with the 1 hour chart. And if you refer to our analysis, see the price was here. We mentioned what's the next. Anyway, after that, we see the price drop and we get this one. This move. We didn't expect to get this move since most of the, we get this move for most of the chart for the crypto market. Anyway, we started the daily chart, and based on daily chart, we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 29. With the breakout of the 29, we mentioned we can expect the price tag 25. But even the price could break 25, almost near to 22, then we see the reversal. All right. Anyway, we have been looking for this one as a flat. In relative to this, still we can consider similar. We are looking at this correction. If we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. And the targets we can look for is 44, 50, and 58 cents. And if we put this loan relative to the previous one, we want to see what we have. If we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right. Now, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. It can give us better confirmation if the price reverse from here, because the price tag broke, then we see the reversal. All right. In the single day, at the single candle. All right. Now, the thing is, whenever, if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. But at this point, we cannot take the trade either for buy or sell. Without the trade setup, it's too early. Because if we move to forward chart, we see mostly whenever we see this kind of the drop, we followed by a deeper correction before we get the reversal. That's mean the best things if the price consolidate from here. If anyone wants to look for trade, they need to be really careful. If they get any opportunity for buy, turns to corrective move, we shouldn't keep the trade, because any corrective reversal we can expect for the next drop before we get the reversal. That's why if we want to look for buy, simply we cannot take the trade. We don't have any trade set up for buy at this point. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't see any trade setup. All right. Mostly the best things is the price reverse as a corrective drop. Then the next reversal, we will take the trade. But if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But at this point, I don't see any trade. But mostly we're looking for the reversal, because if we get any reversal from here, since the price tag the previous low and we see the reversal, any trade for buy, this is what we're looking for. This is what we have been looking for. All right. That's why we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 29 or not. Anyway, at this point, we don't have any trade setup either based on forward 1 hour, based on daily, forward, and 1 hour chart. But if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. Buying at this point without the trade setup is not a really good idea. As I mentioned, the best things is if this one give us a drop, we confirm with this one as a correction relative to this before we get the next trade. Because mostly this is we have seen whenever we see any drop as a sharp similar to what we get here, it can follow by this kind of the move, or even more complex before we get the reversal. That's mean the possibility the price reverse as a straight line is very less. That's why if you want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.